The people of Jeyyus have lived off their land for generations. Rich, fertile fields where olives, avocados and watermelons grow. But now the best farming land is cut off from the village by the West Bank's separation barrier. Coils of razor wire, a deep ditch and an electric fence. It's like a gash across the landscape. There are a few gates along the barrier where farmers can get access to their land, but opening hours are limited and you need a permit to get through.
Life is hard. I have 150 dunums behind the wall. It's very difficult. Even when I have a permit, the soldier can stop me and check me and even take away my permit.
No matter how old, every farmer is checked physically before he's allowed to cross. That's because Israeli settlements are close by, built on occupied Palestinian land. Not even the donkey escapes inspection. Inevitably, we don't escape their attention either. These soldiers appear to have a rather shaky grip on international law. But that is their land. That's not Israel land there. That land is Jeyyus
Israel land, and all this Israel land.
This lies at the heart of the argument over the barrier. Is it to provide Israelis with security against attacks, or is it a cover for grabbing Palestinian land? The Israeli High Court was asked to make a ruling.
When we saw and when we see that the fence is being abused in order to satisfy needs of settlements, and frequently the abuse makes the security situation worse, and the humanitarian difficulties created for Palestinians cannot be justified on security means. This is when we show up as a friend, agree to show up as a friend of the court.
Back in Jeyyus, Mohammed Taher Jabbar, a village leader, shows me the lay of the land from the roof of the municipality. The zigzag of the barrier is clearly marked on the map. But now a new line has been drawn. The defence establishment has caved in, and the village is getting back 1/3 of its confiscated lands. So you can see clearly from the map this outline where there were plans to expand the settlement, and you can also see how the route of the barrier is dictated by that planned settlement growth. And that's why the court in Israel ruled that the barrier route has to change, because this barrier is meant to be about security, not about expanding settlements. A small victory in the battle against the barrier. But the people of Jeyyus are not giving up. They're going to fight on through the courts in the hope of winning back all their land. Jacky, Rowland, Al Jazeera, Jeyyus.